Today's featured car of the day is a 1966 Pontiac Star Chief Executive Coupe. And this one I filmed at the Dallas-Fort Worth 2025 auction on Thursday, October 30th, 2025. And I'll read from the Mecum website. And it states odometer reads 38,675 miles. And it has a 389 V8. Color is gold with black interior. And the highlights are 389 V8 engine, automatic transmission, power steering, Delco AM radio, tilt steering column, gauges, clock, fender skirts, full-size wheel covers, and white wall tires. And it's sold for $17,600 at the Mecum Classic Car Auction in Dallas-Fort Worth 2025 on Thursday, October 30th. And it was lot number T76. If you want to get some more pictures and info on it, you can go to the Mecum website. And it was a good-looking car and had a lot of eyeball, especially in the gold. Just had a good look to it. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1966 Pontiac Star Chief Executive with 38,675 miles on the odometer. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.